Welcome to Infitree. In this video session, we'll see how to interface between MATLAB Simulink file and Fuzzy Logic Toolbox. To open Fuzzy Logic Toolbox in MATLAB, just type fuzzy in command window. That will give this window as you can see on screen. This is the FIS toolbox, that is Fuzzy Logic Toolbox. Here I am using 3 inputs and 1 output, and this is the rule base. Each input is having 3 membership functions, that is low, mid and high, and output is also having 3 membership functions, that is membership function 1, membership function 2 and 3. As the main focus of this video is interface between Fuzzy Logic Toolbox and Simulink model, I'll not go into the concept of fuzzification, defuzzification or designing a rule base. We'll just see how to interface the FIS and Simulink model. After creating your FIS file, just save it and export this same file to workspace. Click OK, and you can check this in workspace. This same variable will be created, that is evaluation. This is the FIS file which I have been created in Fuzzy Logic Toolbox. Now come to Simulink model. Let me open the Simulink model for you. This is the Simulink model which I made for this video session. As you can see, this is, let me run this file first. In Simulink model, I have used Fuzzy Logic Controller Rule Weaver. As you can see, this is the Rule Weaver. As you can see here, I am using Fuzzy Logic Controller Rule Weaver, which you can find in Simulink library browser in Fuzzy Logic Toolbox, that is Fuzzy Logic Control with Rule Weaver. As the input of this Fuzzy Logic controller will be provided by the output of the plant. Let me show you the input which I am giving to the Fuzzy Logic controller. This is the input which I am giving to the Fuzzy Logic controller, and these crisp values will be taken by Fuzzy controller and it will be fuzzified. Execute the Simulink model based on the input which you are giving to the Fuzzy controller. The rule base will show what is the input 1, input 2 and input 3 clearly. Here as you can see, input 1 is high, input 2 is mid and input 3 is low. Based on the membership function, it has decided that the output of the Fuzzy controller will be 23. This will be the crisp value that will be decided by the output membership function. This is the decision making system based on the output of Fuzzy controller. This is how you can interface between Fuzzy Logic Toolbox and Simulink model. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.